Hello everyone, in this video I will be show you how you can make this edit with CapCut PC. So select your video and add the text, just click text and default text, and for instance I'm going to change the text, just remove the text before and write the text. So you can adjust for size, sorry, can adjust for the size, and I'm going just to spacing line like so. So for make the transparent text, you can just for the opacity like this, and just going to animation and select this in animation. So parent animation, just select this, and just for the duration like so. So here we go. So this very simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section down below, and you can click thanks button for appreciating the short. Thanks. Bye bye.